Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mini. This is my first ever YouTube video and I am so excited. If you like what you see here, don't forget to hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe. I will be posting makeup and lifestyle videos. Let's begin this fun-filled journey. As you can see, I have acne and tons of blemishes. I will start with this eye cream from Murad. I will list all the products in the description box below. I use my ring finger to massage the product into my under eye area. Prepping your skin is very important for smooth application of makeup, especially in an acne-prone skin. Next, I use Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance. This is one of my favorite products. It gives you that natural, healthy glow. I gently massage it into my skin. It gives that healthy glow and helps the foundation to stick better as well. Keep massaging until you get that sticky base. Oops! Oh no, I do not want to ruin my eyebrows. Sticky, yes. That sticky base for your foundation is really good. For my under eye area, I use Vasanti Vo2 corrector. If you're closer to my skin tone, this is a great product. This is just the perfect shade, correct amount of peachy. I love it, you'll love it too. I apply this product in a triangle and leave it there for 2 minutes before blending. Giving few seconds or even a minute will make sure we get maximum coverage out of this product. While we wait, I will use a green corrector on my acne spots and I'm using a Maybelline green corrector here. Again, I will mention all the products in the description box below. I am using this Morphe concealer brush to pack the product onto my acne spots, only on the spots, and I will be using my finger to blend it into my skin. You can use your finger or you can use any brush as well. Also make sure the green corrector is concentrated on your acne spots only, as the green cancels out redness of your blemishes. Using a Real Technique sponge, I will be blending out the corrector under my eyes. So the trick here is to always keep looking upwards just to avoid creasing. I also use this product anywhere around my mouth where there is pigmentation. If you have darker pigmentation than I have, you can use something with red tone in it. Red corrector would cancel out blue-black hyperpigmentation. Next, I use Smashbox Potofinish Smooth and Blur Primer. This is one of the best out there in the market, especially if you have a skin like mine. I apply it on my problematic areas like my nose and on my cheeks. Usually primer is applied right before color corrector, but this is my trick which you will love if you try. Apply the primer right before your foundation for smooth application. You'll love this tip. Also press the product into your skin instead of rubbing it all over. For the foundation today, I will be using Born This Way foundation from Too Faced Cosmetics in the color Natural Beige. This is a great foundation for dry skin, very lightweight, very luminous. I, however, have combination skin. I use a brush for even application of the foundation. You definitely do not have to use a brush. I take my time to blend in the foundation. If you rush this step, you will get streaky lines all over your face and you do not want that. For concealer, I'm using Born This Way again in light beige. Very hydrating and very lightweight concealer. Your skin will not look dry or patchy in any way. Focus on the application here. I'm placing the product right in my inner corner, center of my under eye, and in the corner of my eye in the upward motion. This method will give a naturally lifted look to your face. I like to apply it on the sides of my mouth as well, again for that lifted look. However, you don't have to do that. Again, I will wait a few seconds before blending it for maximum coverage. Just a reminder, natural skin has acne, blemishes, texture and all of that. Do not be ashamed of it. Mantra for a flawless skin is blend, blend and blend. Blending in upward motion will give you the uplifted look that we are looking for. I use Cover FX enhanced drops before blush or contour as well because I'm going here for a very popping, highlighted, glowy look. You can definitely skip this step because we will be applying highlighter afterwards as well. I apply it on the high points of my face, that would be my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and blend it. Some people apply it on their forehead as well. I have a lot of texture there which I do not want to enhance, so I will not be applying it on my forehead. For cream contour, I will use Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Mocha. So I start where my sideburns begin, towards my nose, or in other words, just under the hollow of your cheeks. Also cover the perimeter of your face, that would be your hairline and your jawline. I will also contour my nose. If you want a detailed tutorial, please let me know in the comments below and I will make a video for that. I will blend this using a Real Technique brush. Light hand and circular motion is the key for that effortless blend. I will go in with my Real Technique sponge again, just to avoid any harsh lines. Blend, blend, blend. Blend it around your hairline and your jawline. I will use the same brush and pinch it to contour my nose. I love this contour stick because this is so blendable and so smooth. I can also use my fingers to blend it and avoid any harsh lines. Did you see how easy this product is to blend? For powder contour, I will be using Hoola Bronzer from Benefit. I will go in very lightly with this product. Remember, less is more here. We want to achieve a glowy look, not a dry one. I will go over with this product over my hairline, under my jaw, under my cheekbones. The only tip here is to use less product and light hand. You can always add the product, but always start with the minimum. And of course, my nose. Here I use the brush that comes with the Hoola Bronzer. It's amazing. It's even good to use on your cheeks, but it's perfect for the nose. For blush, I'm taking liquid blush from Nars in the shade Orgasm. So my trick here is to take the product on the back of my hand and blend it with the sponge on my hand itself before applying it on the apples of my cheek. And as you know, I love that glowy, popping look. I will go in again with the Cover FX Enhanced Drops because I like it that way. Again, the high points of our face, that would be the cheeks, tip of my nose, and bridge of my nose. You can use a finger, sponge, or a brush, whatever feels comfortable to blend your highlighter. I will lightly set my face using Huda Beauty's baking powder in the shade Pound Cake. I just feel this product smooths out your face just to another level. Amazing product, very finely milled. I am barely using any product. I will not be baking my under eye area as well because that's not the look we're going for today. Let's do the eyes. I'm using Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. I will just use one shade, that is Powder, all over my lids using a fluffy brush from Morphe. The reason to use this fluffy brush instead of a shading brush is to get that diffused color and very blended look on my eyelids. I will only be using one color for the wash off color. I do not want anything dramatic on my eyes. I am using the color Beam from the same palette on my brow bone for that lifted look. Using a black color from the same palette on a flat brush from Morphe, I will line along my lash line and smudge it. Nude eye pencil in the waterline can make your eye looks bigger and more awake. I'm using the one from Benefit. Rollerblade mascara from Benefit for those amazing lashes. Who else makes funny faces while applying mascara? I will be back with my lashes and my lipstick. If you like this look, please let me know in the comments below. Your encouragement is all I need. See you next time, everyone.